my mind's imagination. I hope they choke and focus on smoking them like a basement. This is not rap, this is not hip hop. Just another attempt to make the voices stop rapping to prove nothing, just writing to say something. Cause I wasn't the only one who was emotion to saying nothing. This doesn't mean I lost my dream. It's just like now I got a really crazy mind to clean.
Gangsters don't cry, therefore I'm Mr. Misty Eye, therefore I'm.
Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul? Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul? For me, can you save my heavy dirty soul? For me, can you save my heavy dirty soul? I didn't understand the thing you said. I didn't know better, I guess you're already dead. Mine is zombies walking around, but it ain't been a hunch. Saying stuff like, you only live once. You got one time to figure it out. One time to twist and one time to shout. One time to think and I say to start now. Sing it with me if you know what I'm talking about.
Gangsters don't cry, therefore I'm Mr. Misty Eye, therefore I'm.
Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul? Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul? For me, can you save my heavy dirty soul? For me, can you save my heavy dirty soul?
Death inspires me like a dog inspires a rabbit. Death inspires me like a dog inspires a rabbit.
Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul? Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul? For me, can you save my heavy dirty soul? For me, can you save my heavy dirty soul? Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul? Can you save my, can you save my heavy dirty soul?